Hello students, this is chapter 3 lecture number 2 components of logistics management. Logistics as a set of activities of linking the producers and consumers has good many functional elements that we know. Today we are going to study components of logistics management one by one. First is the logistics and maintenance support planning. Interactive planning, organization and management activities are necessary to ensure that logistics requirements for any given program are properly coordinated and implemented. Initial planning and analysis lead to the establishment of requirements for logistics and the overall support of the system throughout its life cycle. Maintenance planning for those activities related to the reverse flow of conveyances with the definition of maintenance concept and continues through the supportability analysis to the ultimate development of a maintenance plan. A comprehensive logistics plan need to be implemented through the establishment and control functions to ensure that the plan is properly carried out. Next is the logistics maintenance and support personnel. The personnel required to perform unique logistics and system maintenance activities. Such activities include initial provision and procurement of items of support production related logistics functions, the installation and checkout of the system and its elements at the user operational sites, customer service functions, the sustaining support of the system throughout its planned period of use, and those functions are required for the retirement and recycling of disposal of material. Personnel at all levels of maintenance, mobile teams and operations or maintenance at special test facilities and calibration laboratories are included. It is important to include only those who can be directly attributed to the support of that system in evaluation of a particular system. Next is the training and training support. This category includes all personnel, equipment, facilities, data or documentation and associated resources necessary for the training of operational and maintenance personnel to include both initial and replenishment or replacement training. Training equipment, say stimulators, mock-ups, special devices, training manuals and computer resources, softwares are developed and utilized as necessary to support the day-to-day site training, distance education of a more formal nature. Next is the supply support, spares or repair parts and associated inventories. This element covers all spares, say repairable units, assemblies, modules and the like, repair parts, say non-repairable parts or components, then sensorable liquids, lubricants, gases, disposable items, special supplies and related inventories needed to maintain the prime mission related equipment, computers and software test and support equipment, transportation and handling equipment, training equipment, communications equipment and facilities or utilities. Next is the computer resources. This category covers all computers, associated software, connecting components, networks, interfaces necessary to support the day-to-day flow of information for all logistics functions, scheduled and unscheduled maintenance activities and special monitoring and reporting requirements. Next is the technical data, reports and documentation. Technical data may include system installation and checkout procedures, operating and maintenance instructions, inspection and calibration procedures, overall instructions, facilities data, system modification engineering data such as specifications, drawings, material and part list, then special reports, logistics provisioning and procurement data, supplier data, system operational and maintenance data and support databases. Next is the maintenance and support facilities and utilities. In this category covers all special facilities that are unique and are required to support logistics activities, to include storage buildings and warehouses and maintenance facilities at all levels. Physical plant, portable buildings, mobile vans, personnel housing structure, intermediate level maintenance shops, calibration laboratories and special repair shops such as depot, overall material suppliers are considered. Then capital equipment and utilities, heat, power, energy requirement, environmental controls, communication, safety and security provisions and the like are generally included as the part of facilities. Next is the packaging, handling, storage or warehousing and transportation. This category of logistics includes all material, equipment, special provisions, containers, both resistible and disposable, and supplies necessary to support the packages, safety and preservation, storage, handling and or transportation of the prime mission related elements of the system, personal spares and repair parts, test and support equipment, technical data, computer resources and mobile facilities. This group covers initial and sustaining transportation requirement for the distribution of materials and for the maintenance and support activities throughout the system life cycle. The primary mode of transportation, air, highways, pipelines, railway and waterways, and intermodal, truck, rail, water, then air and the like are considered. Next is the test, measurement, handling and support equipment. This category includes all tools, condition monitoring equipment, diagnostic and checkout equipment, special test equipment, metrology and calibration equipment, maintenance fixtures and stands and special handling equipment required to support operational and maintenance functions throughout the forward and reverse flow. Test and support equipment requirement at each level of maintenance must be considered, as well as the overall traceability of test requirement or measures to a secondary standard, a transfer standard and finally to a primary standard. And last is the logistics information. This refers to the resources necessary to ensure that an effective and efficient logistics information flow is provided throughout and to the organizations responsible for all the activities that come within its focus. So these are the components of logistics management. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.